Lions. Thanks for joining me in outer space today. Well, by now you've probably heard that our fall semester is going to be taught predominantly online. And that's not a bad thing. It's okay because we have Canvas, which is where you're going to be going to access all of your class content. So in order to get a better grip on Canvas, we've asked Gannon to join us to give us a little bit of information about what Canvas is and how to get started on Canvas. Thanks, Gannon, for joining us today.
Hi, my name is Gannon Nordberg, and I'm in the Instructional Technology office at the college. Today I have 3 things that I want to share with you about Canvas and other instructional technology. The first is the Canvas mobile app. This little guy right here is great because you can download it for iOS and Android devices, and it's going to help keep you in touch with your classes. You'll get communications from your instructor in the form of announcements. You'll get feedback notifications when you have a new item that's been graded. You can participate in discussions, and you can even submit assignments and quizzes inside the Canvas mobile app. We'll make sure to include a link to the app inside the video. That way you can make sure that you've got it on your device and you can always stay up to date with everything happening inside your course. The second thing I want to share today is our built-in, custom-made student tutorial course called Building with Canvas. It's actually this little guy up here. You may see that when you log into your Canvas dashboard, and this is a course that's available to all students. It's an optional self-paced course that will show you the ins and outs of Canvas if you're unfamiliar with it. It'll help you navigate it, learn what some of the icons and the terminology are, but it'll also give you a chance to practice submitting assignments and participating in a class without there being a grade associated with it. We'll put some information inside the video to help you learn more about what's inside the course and how to find it. The third thing I want to share with you today is that in the Instructional Technology office, we want to support you with all things related to Canvas and other instructional technology. If you're having a question about something or an issue that you're running into that's preventing you from doing some coursework, we want to know about it because we want to help see you succeed, and we want to provide the resources that you need in order to be successful inside the course. You shouldn't have to be fighting with technology. Technology is here to help support us, and we want to make sure that we are supporting you with the technology. We have an ITO help request form that you can submit that will give us some basic information about you, the technology you're using, the course, and the item inside the course that you're having trouble with. And then we can reach out to you either through phone or through virtual means and touch base with you to help troubleshoot your issues one-on-one or provide assistance through email. We'll put a link to our ITO help request form in the video below, and that way you'll always have that there. You can bookmark it and reference it later if you ever need some more assistance. Thanks for your time today. I'll talk to y'all soon.
Thanks, Gannon. We really appreciate you taking the time to come and talk to us about Canvas. Hopefully you have a better idea of what Canvas is and how you can utilize it, but if you do have questions, guess what? You have academic advisors that you can reach out to. You can also reach out to Gannon or Aaron Mills, or you can go directly into your Canvas app and press the little help button in there, and that should link you to someone who is helpful. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.